Hello everybody, so today we're gonna do an August greenhouse tour. Just gonna take you into the greenhouse and show you how the greenhouse is doing. So as you see, quite a lot of vegetables here. All of them are growing, they're doing great. Here you have sweet bitter leaf or country bitter leaf, and here you have the real sweet bitter leaf that is used for ndole. You have regular sweet bitter leaf here, and as you can see behind here we have quite a few different vegetables: sweet bitter leaf, and chia, and the regular sweet bitter leaf. Here I have anchia and water leaf. They're still coming out. They're a little bit late, but that's okay. We have the same over here. We have sweet bitter leaf. This is the just from now on I just call it country bitter leaf, and this is regular sweet bitter leaf right here. And as you can see, the pepper is doing great. This is hot habanero pepper, very hot. Here we have bitter leaf, and here you have another variety of habanero pepper, not as hot as this one, but it's also still hot. So we harvested quite a couple of times already, so definitely doing great. And as you can see in here, there's some seeds that I put in there at the beginning of the season. For some reason, they're coming out now. So that's what you get for gardening, right? There's sometimes it comes out when you want it, and sometimes it comes in later. So you can see a few of these containers, I put a little bit of seeds in there at the beginning, and for some reason it didn't come out, and now they're coming out towards the end of the season. So go figure. So I have more of the bitter leaf over here, and then here you have water leaf. Water leaf is used to prepare arrow and other water leaf dishes on other dishes that here I have water leaf, and this tomato came out by itself without me planting it in here. So I just decided to let it grow in here and just have one tomato plant in the greenhouse, and it's doing good. So we'll see how it goes with it. The weather changing very soon. We're gonna have to probably gonna produce a few, then disappear. Here I have more pepper. Have different the long variety of ghost pepper here. Like I said, the pepper, it's not as hot as I want it to be, but it's better than nothing, right? So here I have anchia, also doing great. More anchia and water leaf. So as you see this, I use different containers that I have to grow in there, and some of the containers I use based on the size of the area I have, which is okay as long as you have the right ingredients in the soil. And here I am making compost tea. The sound you're hearing is my compost tea brewing. Let me just show you. This is the fertilizer using the compost tea. It's growing. I'm gonna use it to water the plants. I have another video that shows you how to make your compost tea. You see the leaves really fresh and big like that is the compost tea working. It's compost tea making it really growing as fast as possible. So that's the noise that you're hearing from the pump. So here I have still sweet country bitter leaf. I call it country bitter leaf, and growing here. We try to grow as many of these containers as possible, so that way at least we can have some vegetable now and be able to save some for the winter, because once the winter comes, deep into the winter, this greenhouse is gonna be all gone. So you want to grow it for the short period of time that you have to be able to harvest as much as possible, freeze it, save it for later months so that you get good organic vegetable in the winter. This anchia is already coming out, producing flowers, so hopefully I'm able to get some seeds from it later on when it produces seeds, so that I can use it next year. I got the seeds from somebody, so I'm just trying to make sure that I save this one right here that's producing seeds, so that I'm able to get some seeds for it. So we have some pepper here, and here I'm just using my watering can. The watering can had a hole in it and was a little bit broken, so I said, okay, I'll use the watering can to grow pepper. And guess what, I'm harvesting pepper from it already, so that's awesome. So that's another anchia right here. This is another pepper that's slow to produce. Hopefully it's gonna be able to produce something within the next couple of months in the greenhouse. And here I have some huckleberries in here, and I also have the sweet bitter leaf right here. And in here I have sweet bitter leaf, huckleberries, and I also have pepper. Behind there I have anchia and water leaf. So it's growing, it's doing great. The greenhouse is doing great. And here some of the seeds that came out for the water leaf that came out late, I just transplanted some of these, some of them over here. They're already coming out. Hopefully I should be able to harvest these about twice before the cold weather comes and kills it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about growing in the greenhouse, growing in containers, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.